says evaluate 69 into 71. How you can break the value 69 into 71?
So we do,
Can I write 69 as 70 minus 1?
yes, 70
And
minus 1 and 70 plus 1.
yes, and this is all similar to what property? A minus B, A plus B. That is A square minus B square, right?
Yes,
Correct. And what is A here? That is 70. A,
70.
A, right? And B is this.
1.
So see, we have left hand side of the given property, right? So we can convert it into right hand side. So how we can write it? Can you tell me the last step for this one? What we can do after this?
So
Here,
to be
yes,
70, this is the RHS.
yes, very good. Right. Will you try? Will you try solving?
Yeah, so it will be 70 square minus 1 square.
Very good.
So 70 square is 489.
Yes, very good. 4,899, right?
Yes.
Yes, very